Period. You thought you was the shit until I fucked in the world. Period.
I be talking my shit, but you know I can fight. New bus down, no keys to my house. Fresh from two, don't put my stuff, you treat me right. I tell him he better talk to me nice. Or don't talk to me twice. And treat me for my body is crazy. I gotta block me a whole nigga daily. He said this pussy is well like the Navy. I told him you know my body like the baby. I'm from the box, so you know how I'm coming. Dream is the truck, gotta pay me in luggage. I see my wrist, I'm cooler than running. I'm fine like a summers, I got it, but bitches don't want it.
What it do, YouTube? It's your girl This Know when I'm back with another video. So it's fall, so I'm about to give y'all a fall makeup look, period. Alright, so I did my eyebrows off camera, and now I will be doing my foundation. Since it is fall, I'm going to be going for a more satin look. So what I will be doing is I'll be using my Fenty in the shade 420 and my Maybelline Fit Me Dewy foundation in the shade 355 Coconut. So then what you do after that is conceal, and I will be using the shade Amande with NARS under my eye. And when you do your under eye concealer, you don't do a super huge triangle or anything like that, or else it's going to be too much. I will also be going under my eyes with the shade Caramel with NARS. Now with this shade, it's super light, so I'm only going to be putting a little bit in the inner corners of my under eye and a little bit on the bridge of my nose. For contour, what I'm going to do is use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Espresso. And then I'm going to be using my Fit Me Matte Poreless in 360. Now I'm going to go in lightly with my contour palette with Black Radiance, of course. Duh. Come on now, period. And I'll be going in very lightly. As you can see, it's almost nothing there. I'm not sure how it looks on camera, but it's almost nothing there. Just a simple little bit of pink. And this is with Bare Blusher by Kiss. Well, the camera stopped recording for some reason, so I'm just going to tell you what I did. So basically, you guys missed the highlight process. So what I did was went in with my Milani Strobe highlight, and then I went over it with my Laura Mercier's Face Illuminator. I'm using the Carity palette called Picante. It is their fall palette. I got it last fall, last year's fall. I'm gonna do an orangey brown eye look. I'm gonna have the color, the shade Bittersweet on the outer corners of my eyelid and into my crease. Next, I'm going to do the shade Harvest right next to it, more so in the middle of my eyelid. Alright, now what I'm going to do is go back in with Bittersweet in my inner corner.
This boy.
Now what I'm going to do is cut my crease in the middle. Now that I cut the halo, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pack on shade Fuego. Right here I'm blending in Bittersweet over the edges of the shimmer. Now that I'm done with my first eye, I'm going to do the other eye off camera and I'll be back. Okay, so while I was off camera, I also added eyebrow highlight. And I put a little bit more of Harvest in the middle of my crease. Now onto the lips. Now I'm going to line my lips with MAC Double Fudge. Then after I line my lips, I'm going to go on top of it with the Matte Liquid Lipstick High Drama. changed my mind. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to line my lips with the shade PMS by Fenty. Fenty Beauty, Rihanna girl. Right, so this is a lipstick, so I'm just going to use the corner. To go in the inner part of my lips with the NYX Lingerie in the shade 11, I'm guessing.
At this point,
this just gave it a more gradient, lighter brown type of look. Oh, and the lashes I have are from the beauty supply store. They are 3D Miss Mink from the beauty supply store in the style 3. I'm gonna try something out, okay? I'm not gonna judge you. Period. Now what I'm going to do is go on top of this with a L'Oreal 805 Suede. It's the lip gloss. It's like more like a sheen. Alright, that's it for this video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know if you want more videos like this, and I will do them. I do this for the 414.